What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to teach you how to do the airdrop. Give you a step-by-step progression and show you the little things you can do to get this trick faster. So, to airdrop, you're going to need two tricks. You're going to need your aerial, and you're going to need a coin drop. But both of these tricks need to be pretty darn good before you airdrop. Airdrop has a little bit of risk. You're going to be taking a little bit of damage, maybe. So I'd recommend having a really strong, smooth coin drop and a nice, comfortable, controlled aerial. So the technique of airdrop is kind of weird. You're going to start by going into your aerial, and after you leave the ground, you're going to rotate your legs like you would for a coin drop. Once you do that rotation, you're going to almost let your weight roll from one leg to your back to do the final airdrop motion and to get you off the ground. Now, bear in mind, mine is not a perfect example. Go watch Taka. Taka is the one who pulled airdrop out of nowhere in 2025. So guys, please, that is the technique. You're just gonna set like an aerial, kick your legs like you would for a coin drop, and then roll over to your back and then kip up to your feet. Next, 3 drills that are super helpful if you want to learn the airdrop faster and do it a little bit safer than just throwing your body up and then down into the ground. The first is going to be the cartwheel coin drop. Go into a cartwheel, but once you get onto your hands, pivot them like you would for a coin drop and roll onto your back, then onto your feet. It's a simple skill and it will really help you understand the motion when you do the airdrop. The next is going to be hook kick, front swing, or carry through almost. It's almost like a recycle motion onto a coin drop. So you're gonna hook, drag the leg behind you into the coin drop. Do not use your arms. I would recommend learning how to coin drop without your arms before this trick, because you will have your arms, but they're not going to be super duper helpful. The final drill is to just aerial and then connect it to the coin drop. If you can aerial to coin drop and then slowly minimize that break, you'll be able to airdrop. It's a very safe and smooth progression to go from the aerial and the coin drop to the airdrop. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all I got for airdrop for now. I may come back with more advice, more tutorials. I definitely want to work on the gainer variation of this trick. There's a long way to go for me with airdrop, but I hope this tutorial helps you guys. If you have any questions, any other tutorials you want me to cover, leave them in the comments down below. These stem cells have been cooking for about a month now, so they're feeling really good and my body's feeling in less pain than ever, so we're gonna keep moving. Thank you. Thank you. All right, bye-bye.